am to blame as well, okay? I developed your questions, but not the response system. So it's partially my fault.
Eventually,
preparing for lunch. Yan. After training, so may kunting salo-salo ang mga TAs and teachers. Ayan. Right? Painit na kasi pagkatapos ng training, may kunting salo-salo. Medyo marami-rami yung rice natin. Woo! Init-init pa. Good job.
A few moments later.
Ayusin muna natin ang bangs. Hi guys. Half term po. Yan. May kunting training at salo-salo ang team. Yan. Medyo nagkakagulo na. Let's get it on fire!
Ay, konti na kulit ka. Ay, nag-change pa ako. Record eh, dapat ka.
Hindi pa siya nakain ba?
Ako ang nagluto ng adobo. Ako nga ang nagluto. Ako lang, ay hindi pala ako pala nag-ambag. Hindi pa nagluto. Mas kaya nakakain ka pa. Sa susunod na party ka ng mag-isip. Friends lang, friends. Asa tayo? Hindi pa siya nito. Naliligaw lang. Bakit naliligaw sa kanila? Yung guro ko ang taas ng pagkakalari. Guro ko kung may nalawa mo. Alam ko na siya. Kapag din. Pag-usap na ako rin. Ano ba? Ang tula ka ang buwan.
Baliw, hindi yan. Pinag-usapan namin yung ni Ate.
Oo, talaga sabi.
Naka-duty pa rin yung Katrina na. Alert.
Hindi na siya nakakain. Sorry, nagugulo na ako. Nagugulo na ako.
Lalo ka aantokin mamaya.
Birthday mo sabi ko.
Meron ba kayo? Meron ba kayo?
Si Samina, siya lang ang gagamay lahat na bigyan pa mo.
Pwede naman pag sinasasabihin.
Hindi, kasi nung last na party natin sa kanya. O, sabihin mo lang kung saan yung baboy dyan. Masarap mo. Ha? Regina, mantap.
Who are the chefs in the house? Who cooked today? Virgie, Belinda, and who else? What did you cook, Belinda? What today?
Men.
Are you? Did you?
Are you?
What is that kind of question? Are you? Did you?
Yes.
I didn't do it.
Are you? Did you? Yes.
Who's sitting here? How are you on here?
Yes, how about this meat? Test. Yeah. Barbie.
I gotta go my own way. Ooh, this
Maybe the next time we need to do karaoke.
Pardon?
Next time we need to do karaoke for everyone. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
You're invited on my birthday.
23rd.
23rd, but I will do it on 26th. Saturday, in Sabil Park.
What time is it?
Lunchtime. 12. Sabil Park, gate 1. Miss Laura is coming.
I'll talk to her. Oh, it's the same day of the event.
Saging.
Kani.
Tuwa nga ako, bakit? Malaki. Malaki nga yun. Malaki.
coffee still there?
Pardon me?
The tea coffee still there?
No, we already actually and
Take another piece of the chicken that was warm. I'm mindful not everyone has
this carrot, it's more tasty if there's rice.
Extreme diet. This is why this
Yeah.
has potato.
Yes, your cheat day, Miss Carol.
Potato on eating.
Oh,
Make this your cheat day.
My cheat day was yesterday. Birthday cheat day. This is why. Literally, I love rice. You can try and get this without the. It's hard to get without the potato.
yeah.
You know, the guys who put the box up on the wall, but they didn't remove the sticker.
Yeah, I just noticed it also.
True. They're just in a hurry yesterday.
There's a sticker on the
We
wall.
will climb again. And by the way, Miss Carol, those lamp that you bought to outside, outdoor, she cannot do it because there's no ladder. It's quite risky if she will stand only on the.
But is it that high? I thought we could reach.
No, it's not, but it's from here, from that side. Need to pour some water like that. This is dust.
Or what it used to be like, because it's light, right? It's a light, so you need to see. But the leather is coming, we've ordered it.
Yeah.
When it comes in, you see, very big. You see how big it is? Very big.
Yeah. Because it will not go for wiping, just wiping the
Yeah,
You need
yeah.
to pour some water.
Maybe not pour, because it's light. Not pour the water, but have like a white cloth
Okay.
before what is light. Because there might be a spark or something.
It's already
What is the problem that you and Marion?
She's fixing the for the other project now.